Hi everyone. So this question was asked in GATE DA question paper. So this was the one of the finest question that I saw in the complete GATE DA paper. Okay. So you might be thinking that this question is from engineering mathematics. So you can expect these kind of questions in electrical, EC and instrumentation as well. But later on I will tell you, can you really expect this kind of question in instrumentation, EC or electrical? Okay. So first let's try to solve this question. Then we will talk other things. So a dice is thrown repeatedly and you need to find the number of throws to get two consecutive even number. So basically you throw it once, you need even number, you throw it again, you need even number. Let's assume you throw it, you get even number, then on the next time you get odd number. So again you have to restart, right? Because you need it two consecutive. Let's assume you throw and you get a odd number, then you get a even number. So it's not that you need to restart, you are restarting here only. So again you get a even number, then again you get a even number. So only three throw you need, right? Let's assume you get a odd number, then again odd number, then even number, then again odd number. So you have to restart, right? So till you get two. So here you needed six throws, right? So this is what the question means. You have to find the expected number. Okay. So let's forget about this question. Now I am changing the question. Okay. Now I am changing the question. What I am asking, expected number of throws to get even once, only once. You need to find the expected number of throws to get even only once. So if you throw a dice, what you can get? You can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? How many numbers are even? 3. And how many numbers are odd? 3. So probability of getting even number is 1 by 2 and probability of getting odd number is 1 by 2, right? Now if you throw a dice, there are two chances that either you will get a even number 1 by 2 probability and either you will get a odd number 1 by 2 probability. Now what I am saying, what is my x? X is, I am defining a variable x, that is number of throws needed to get even number. I am saying that if I throw my dice x times, it is certain that I will get an even number. If I throw my dice x time, it is certain that I will get an even number. So what can be the value of x? So if I throw my dice one time, let's assume I am throwing my dice one time and at that time only I am getting even. So what is the chances of that? I am saying that I am throwing my dice once. I just threw my dice and then only I get even. So what are the chances of that? Half chances, right? So there are half chances that I would need only once to throw. There are half chances that I need to throw only once. Now I am throwing my dice. There are half chances that I throw my dice once again. There are half chances that I could get a odd number. This is for odd, this is for even. So there are half chances that I could get a odd number. Let's assume I got a odd number. So tell me, after this, how many times I need to throw the dice to get an even number? Did you understand my question? What I am asking? I threw the dice and I got odd number. So after getting this odd number, how many times I need to throw the dice to get an even number? फेंका, ओड आ गया, अब मेरे को कितनी बार और फेंकना पड़ेगा कि मेरे को इवन मिले? देखो मैंने एक बार फेंक, आई जस्ट थ्रू इट वंस, आई गोट ओड नंबर. नाउ आई नीड टू थ्रो द डाइस x more times to get a even number. I threw the dice, I get a odd number. I need to throw the dice x times more to get a even number, because I am saying that if I throw the dice x times, it is certain that I will get a even number. So first time I throw, I get a even number. Sorry, first time I throw, I get a odd number. This is wasted. This move is wasted, right? This move is wasted now because I am getting an even odd number, but I needed an even number. So now I need to throw my dice x times more to get an even number. Are you getting this point or not? Say yes or no. Just take your time and think about it, what I am saying. There are half chances that I will get an even number. In one throw only, if I get an even number, I will stop there. In one throw only, if I get an even number, I will stop there. And there are half chances of that. There are half chances of that in once only I will stop. But there are half chances of that I need to throw the dice for 1 plus x times. Why 1 plus x? Because there is a chance that in one time, there is a chance that first I am getting odd number. Then if I am getting odd number, then I have to throw the dice x times more to get an even number. Are you able to understand this point or not? Right? So 1 plus x. So from here, if you solve this, you get the value of x equals to 2. So what will be your x is 2. Take expectation on both of the side. Expectation of x will be equals to expectation of 2. So expectation of x will be 2 only. Right? Expectation of 2 only. So what do you get? Expected number of times you need to throw the dice to get even once is 2. So if you throw the dice 2 times, it is expected that you will get even one time. If you throw the dice 2 times, it is expected that you will get even once. Yes, right? I will repeat it once again. How did I solve that? What did I do? I assumed x is the number of times I need to throw the dice to get an even number. That means if I throw the dice x times, I am certainly getting an even number. So what will be my x? Half chances is that if I throw the dice in once only, I will get an even number. And half chances is that if I throw the dice, first I am getting an odd number. So I have to throw the dice x times more to get an even number. So x is equals to half into 1 plus half into 1 plus x. So x value I am getting 2 and then expectation of x is 2. So this was our first question. Now we will move to our exact question, that is the number of times we need to throw the dice to get 2 consecutive even numbers. So my event is y. Number of times I need to throw the dice to get 2 even number. Read the statement again. What is my event? My event is number of times I need to throw the dice to get two consecutive even number. So the number of times I need to throw the dice to get two consecutive even number, that is my y. This is my y, that I need to throw the dice to get two consecutive even numbers. This is my y. It is not that first I am getting even, then I need to throw my dice one more time to get even number. It is not that. The number of times I need to throw my dice to get two even consecutive numbers. Okay, two consecutive even numbers. So what will be my y? So what do I need? I am throwing a dice. What do I need? That first I get even. I throw the dice and first I get even. After that, what I can get? I can get odd as well and then even as well. Like people will say, if you throw the dice in first time as well, you can get both odd or even. If you throw the dice in first time as well, you can get either odd or even. But I know one thing, that if I throw the dice at the first time, like if I throw the dice and I need even once, look, I need even once. I throw the dice and I need even once. So for that, how many times I need to throw the dice? What are the expected number? 2. The value that we just find, that you need to throw the dice twice to get an even number. Are you able to understand why I picked the last question? Are you connecting now? The number of times you need to throw the dice to get even once. So what will be my y? My y will be that first I need to throw the dice to get a even. So we have covered this step. To get even once, we have got even once in x steps, in x throw. If I am throwing my dice for x times, there is certain that I will be getting a even once, okay. Plus, now I need to get even once again. So if I am getting even, after that there is half chances that in one throw only I will get even. If I am getting even once, after that there is half chances that in one throw only I am getting a even. Plus, there is half chances that in one throw I am getting odd. Plus, then tell me how many times I need to throw the dice. X times or Y times? Y times. What did I do here? Look, the first time I need to get an even number. So for to get a even number, I need to throw the dice X times. Because what was my X? X was number of throws you need to get an even number. So I need to throw my dice X times to get an even number. So first I have got an even number. Now secondly, what do I need? An even number. First I have got an even number. So what do I actually need? An even number. But there is possibility that you can get an odd number as well. So I will throw my dice for X times. Then there is half chances that I get an even number. Plus there is half chances that I get an odd number. Then if I get an odd number, after even, if I get an odd number, I have to restart my process from beginning. And what is my y? Y says the number of times I need to get, the number of times I need to throw the dice to get two consecutive even number. So if I get 0, I need to start from beginning. That means I need to get e again, even again. So that's why y will come. Are you able to connect now? This kind of mathematics is required in data science question paper. Okay. First, what did we calculate? We calculated x. What was x? The number of times you need to throw the dice to get even once. So that was 2. X value you got was 2. So to get even once, you need to throw the dice twice. Well and good. Now we are saying, what is my event y? The number of times I need to throw the dice to get two consecutive even number. That is my event y. So in event y, first I need even, then again I need even. So this is my event y. It is not that I have already even. After that, how many times I need to throw? It is not y. My y is, first I need to get even, then I again need to get even. So first I need to get even. So in throw I need to get even once. So for that I need x number of throws, right? Plus there is chances that in half time, there is half chances that in one throw only, I get a even. So I get even. My condition is satisfied. But there is half chances that I get an odd number. So if I get an odd number, I am wasting this throw. One throw I am wasting. Plus y is the number that is certain that in, if you throw the dice y times, you are certainly getting two consecutive even numbers. So again I have to throw my dice y times to get two consecutive even numbers. Think with a straight mind. I hope you are understanding. Right? So this is my y. So from here I can calculate the value of y. That will be half y would be equals to x plus 1. Half y would be equals to x plus 1. So y would be equals to 2x plus 2. So basically our y is 2x plus 2. So expectation of y would be, sorry, 2 expectation x plus 2. So expectation of y would be 2 into 2 plus 2. So expectation of y would be 6. Right? Or you can check what will be the value of y. Y here would be, if you put the value of x here, y here would be 2 into x value we got, that was 2. X value we got, that was 2 only. So 2 into 2 plus 2. So y value would be 6 only. So you need to throw the dice. You need to throw the dice 6 times to get even number twice. Okay. Now what if they had asked this question? So this was the actual answer. 6 is the actual answer. What if they had asked this question? Expected number of throws to get even number thrice. To get even number thrice. Tell me what you would have done. To get even number thrice, what you would have done? Okay. What you would have done? I throw my dice. Get even twice. Get even twice. This would be my first step, right? Because I would consider a variable z, number of throws to get even thrice. To get even thrice. So first I need to get even twice. Then if I get even, thing will be over. If I get odd, I need to repeat the process again. So what will be my z? Z. First you need to get even twice. So y times you need to throw the dice. And there is half chances that in one throw only you will finish it off. But there are half chances that you would need one throw you will waste and you would need another z throw. One throw you will waste and then you would need another z throws. Right? So what will be the answer? Again z would be 2i plus 2 only. Right? Z would be 2i plus 2 only. So expectation of z would be 2 into 6 plus 2. So that would be 14. Okay. That would have been 14. So this is how we can proceed with the question. Are you able to understand it now? So this kind of mathematics is expected from a ML engineer, not from a VLSI engineer or a electrical engineer or a EC engineer or from a civil engineer. This kind of mathematics is expected from a ML engineer, machine learning engineer. And I can show you proof this question was not from engineering mathematics. Let's see the syllabus of GATE DA. Okay. So there is a concept called conditional expectation. So this question is from that concept. If I had used the terms like conditional expectation and all these things, then you wouldn't be able to understand that problem. Also, you would not watch the video. Okay, I know that thing. You wouldn't even watching the video and you would just ignore it. But the point that I wanted to deliver here, that this question cannot be asked in engineering mathematics, in to electrical, EC or instrumentation guys, because this question is from probability and stats, but from data science question paper, because this question is from conditional expectation and this is not in the syllabus of general engineering mathematics. This is general engineering mathematics. This is engineering mathematics. Okay. So don't consider that these kind of tough questions will come in your question paper. But just to develop your brain, I gave you this concept and I hope you liked it a lot. Right? So those guys who says that probability and stats are common in mathematics and common in GATE DA, so they can realize what they are saying. I have seen a few guys selling their course and saying that okay, maths is common in both of the question paper and you can crack it easily. This was just the first edition and they asked these kind of question. Just the first question paper it was, right? GATE DA. Later on you will see how IITs will conduct the GATE DA question paper. They will show you what kind of extensive mathematics required for being an ML engineer. And I can write it on paper today and sign it. That those mathematics experts you see saying that we can cover the maths of data science, within 2 years they will realize what kind of mathematics is required for being an ML engineer. That's why I again and again say, don't be brainwashed. If you are preparing for electrical and EC, just prepare for that particular branch only, because they are just brainwashing you for their just for their benefit, because there are not much of teachers in data science. New syllabus, students are just seeing that there are only 6 subjects and we can prepare and we can grab crores of placements. But data science is not for everyone. I'm saying you again and again, it is not for everyone. There is extensive mathematics and such a tough curriculum it is. Once you go into IITs for learning data science, I have my friends who are currently in ISC Bangalore and they have AI branch. Okay, because ISC is offering AI branch for MTech. So the kind of curriculum they are facing, so it is 2 times more pressurizing than going into VLSI or integrated circuits. And getting into VLSI is pressurizing for me. So I can't even imagine myself in AI branch of ISC or any other IITs. So that's why I just wanted to make you aware that it is not same. A lot different thing is there. If you are an ML engineer, you are expected to understand deeper mathematics, and you are certainly going to see that in 2 or 3 years in the GATE DA question paper. They are just selling blindly. They also don't even know what is about to come. They don't even know how questions will be asked in GATE DA paper, how IITs are going to ask the question paper. Just they recorded some syllabus and okay, purchase the course. I'm not talking about any particular guy or any particular coaching institute. It is just that you need to put a lot of efforts for preparing GATE DA. And in my opinion, at least till 2 or 3 years, there shouldn't be any course for GATE DA. Let's just see what they are actually asking. Just first see what they are actually asking, then prepare yourself accordingly, and then make a syllabus. And I am just seeing that people have recorded the lectures. They are selling recorded course. Like एक बार भी पेपर नहीं हुआ. IITs haven't even given a single paper and they have recorded the lectures. I don't know what reference they have taken. Okay, so just to make you aware, I wasted your time. I'm sorry for that. So this was much required. Okay, yeah. So that's it from my side. I hope you understood the question. So if you found the video helpful, please try to share it with your friends. Just tell them this was a brilliant question and I explained it without any conditional expectation, without any law or anything. By simple mathematics we explained, by simple aptitude we explained it, right? So you can share it with your friends and let them know my thoughts and let them know how we solve these kind of problems, right? So it will be helpful for me as well and for them as well. Okay, thank you.